guys? Welcome back to my shit. No, it is your girl King Lex. Are you blessed and bougie? You know you can't forget it because you know she's always icy. Because I know I am. Oh, period. Not the potential spam calling me. No, it's always just not giving. In case my energy seems a little low, I am experiencing seasonal depression like the heaviest I've ever experienced it. So if my energy doesn't seem as high, that's 100% why. I'm gonna try to give it to you. This is the first time I've done my makeup, put myself together in like 2 weeks. I'll try to give you what it is supposed to have gave. You know, if you see me, got me in my feelings, you know that's why. Anyways, today I will be, oh my gosh, I'm just trying not to get emotional. You know how YouTube couples, they be like, I bought my girlfriend a brand new Tesla, emotional. It's just giving all of that. I will be opening my very first PR package. You can't let them see you like that, sis, you can't. But before I open her, before we get into all of that goodness, if this is your first time seeing my face, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and click that subscribe button. Click it right here. Give this video a cute little thumbs up and turn on post notifications if you're ready for me to get into the say. I just don't know. Okay. So this is from no other than Nail Mail. Shout out to Victoria, which is the owner of Nail Mail. She and I have had a journey. We have become so close. We developed such a good friendship over the time I've been ordering nails from her. It's ridiculous. And this was actually supposed to get to me back in May, but like all of these complications and all these things were going on. But you know what, when I look back on it, I really needed this now because like I said, I've been going through a whole lot and the seasonal depression is literally whooping my entire ass.
Depression? Isn't that just a fancy word for feeling bummed out? Dwight, you ignorant slut!
I needed this to put a smile on my face. I needed something. So first of all, look how big it is. It comes from the UK because you know, we don't do local. Well, yeah, I do local, but we don't do that. You know what I'm saying? We do international. She's overseas, you know, Paris, oui, oui, PP, and all of that. But look at the size. I can't wait to open this. Oh my gosh. I just don't know what to do. This is like 100% authentic reaction. It's taped up and everything. I have not opened it. This box has been through some things. This box looks like how I feel. She is dented up and shaken down, pressed together and run it over, child. I don't know how to like cut this open. I don't wanna. Oh, I see a little, oh my God. I see a little reflective streamer. I'm gonna have to vacuum. It's coming open. Oh my gosh. I don't get gifts that I'm ever surprised by. Like usually I know exactly what I'm gonna have or whatever. It's rare that somebody's catching me off guard. So this is one of them times. I'm opening it. Girl, okay, we need to get to it. I'm trying to be delicate. Get to the money. I wish this was a big box of money. Well, hell, it is. Because the art, the work, the exquisiteness of the nails. Okay, girl, I don't have that much strength. Wait, there's a note. I have to read the note. Wait a minute. Look at the note. It's even got a little Nail Mail stamp on it. Look at giving very much famous international celebrity. That's what it's giving. It's pink, it's my favorite color. Pink and black are my favorite colors. It says, hey girl, it's official. You're now a fully fledged Nail Mail ambassador. Welcome to the family. I hope you love your PR box. The first of many. Oh, I'm gonna be getting more? Thank you for being a real one and for showing nothing but love and support. Love ya. Oh Lord, my makeup looks so good and to ruin it would be very ghetto of me. Look, wait, she said thumbnail. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, it's a box. Like it's bigger than my shoe box. Like what? I'm gonna play in that later. That look like something I'm gonna put my dog in. Rowdy, you gonna be in that box. You can be looking like baby Jesus in the manger. In the manger, I'm elated. Okay, do right, you know, pony. She said when I saw this, the box itself and everything, I was gonna lose my sense. First of all, can we appreciate how she got this wrapped? Because let me tell you something, a whole lot of y'all don't be caring. I know y'all don't be caring because I be seeing y'all lifestyles. When she said fragile, that's what she meant. Wait a minute, it says this way up. Okay, this way up, so I'm glad I read that because I was ready to just shake it as the top fell in. I love how everything has like little hearts and little sweet like cuteness, and I love it. I can't get this open fast enough, but I'm trying so hard to be gentle because it's fragile. Oh my God. It says 8. My initials. Do you see this? Oh my God, wait a minute. It's a little mailbox. Look at that. It says post box at the top. We don't cry on this channel. I seriously don't want to open it. It's so cute. Okay, you know, you can't sit here all day. You actually have to open this. Okay, so you lift the top up, right? We have the top. Let me sit her down. Okay, clear the table. Everybody clear this. Get out of here. I love this. I feel like if you cut me, this is what I look like on the inside, you know? Most people have blood and I have this, you know, glitter, glam, glitz. I see the Vivians. Some of the nail designs she was asking me about, she's like, send me something that you like and all that. So, oh my gosh, there's so much of this in here. She said, we're gonna be protected. She's gonna be a protection, a spell of protection. There's so many in here. I don't even know how to feel about this. Okay, look inside. They're down deep in there. All of the little pink things you see, those are all nails. Oh, wait, there's a gift in there. So first, ooh, it's giving very much awesome, darling. Awesome. I'm gonna take each one out. I'm gonna do it like a raffle. Y'all, lucky I'm showing y'all because you know I don't like to debut things until I have put the look together. Look at these. Look at that. Look at that. It's like a gold foil. Ooh, I'm gonna put one on. I mean, you know, not put one on, but just put the shape. It's the shape. Let me tell y'all the reason why I stopped going to the nail shop. One, the prices, but ultimately it's the shape. The shape is what defines the nail. When your shape, when your shape is not coming correct, honey, you're not correct. You're not sitting pretty when the shape is disgusting, sick. No. Okay, let's open the next one. Oh, she got shifted around. Let me correct her. I love these. I sent these to her. I call these the chocolate swirls. Okay, well, I put them in there as best as I can. I'm too excited to put them in the correct order. Look at these. Oh my gosh. All these autumn flavors and colors. Okay. The mashup. This is a different level. I know we're not doing the summer vibes anymore, but I have a few little fits that y'all will see in the fall. They give very much summer, but I've waited a long time to wear them, so you will see them. Get into this. Get into the detail, the yin, the yang, the detail, the tiger, the smiley face. Get into the, nope, I'm really trying to keep it together. I just wish y'all understood. This right here, this set right here, sis, you outdid yourself. And the thing about it is there's no flaw. And I am a perfectionist person. I will peep a flaw a mile away. I see none. Do y'all even deserve to see the goods? Yeah, y'all can see them. Look at the Vivian Westwoods. Look at that. Look at the detail. Look at the detail. The Vivian Westwood charm. I don't even own one of her necklaces. Look at the detail. Woo! Y'all not ready for how I'm about to step. The box itself is literally the cutest thing. I love all of this. I feel like it's Easter. Get into it, yeah. Pop up with the truck. Get into it, yeah. Oh my God, yes. I've been waiting so long for these espresso nails. Ooh, the fall vibes. Oh my God, the detailing. The devil's in the details and it's satanic. Okay, Drake, you should have said that because it's just giving very much 666 Illuminati. I'm going to heaven. Yeah, this set right here, sis. Yeah, you did that. You did that. Now I'm a coffee lover. Let me tell y'all, my Keurig broke about a week ago. Week ago. Fuck with us and then we tweak it out. Run up on that nigga, get the squeezing house. It's like I'm mourning the death of a loved one because I use my Keurig every day. I'm an avid coffee drinker. And so when she made these, I was like, not her making iced coffee espresso nails. Okay, not now. Give me the bottle. Give me the whole thing. Give me everything. Look at this. Okay, it's not focusing and I'm getting quite irritated. My arm is starting to hurt. Girl, focus. These are too freaking cute to not focus. Okay, wait, there we go. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that. That is what you call lemon pepper steppers, honey. I'm about to go crazy. I love a French set anyway. Oh, I'm about to step. Believe that. Believe that. Oh my gosh, the tiger nails. And I love the length. Like, she always will sneak a length in there that's not like OD long. I love it. They was hating on me then, but they hating now? Hell yeah, they about to be hating now for real, for real. You was mad at me then. You really about to be mad at me now because, girl, what? It's giving very much Tony the Tiger. Please ignore my hand. looking like the Claw. It's giving very much, they're great. It's Tony the Tiger vibes. I love a tiger set. Those are so cute because I have an outfit that it resembles this, and I'm gonna just keep it at that because I can't be giving away all the sauce. But yeah, I'm taking away. Now that is the nails, and something that I 100% was not expecting. She slipped a little giffy give. I need a sip of water. I need a sip of water. I really wish I had a pina colada, you know? It's giving very official, the box. Sounds like jewelry. I don't want to open it. I don't do well with the stress. Okay, you know what? Y'all look at it before me, okay, ready? What is it? What is that? It feels like a necklace. Feels like is that an A? Is that an A? Hold on. What is that, y'all? Tell me what it is. You're not saying. Okay. I'm trying. I sing because I'm happy. I sing because I'm free. His eye is on the that's the reason why I sing. Okay, I'm really trying to gather my thoughts and gather myself. No, she did not give me, and the fact that she knows my whole aesthetic is icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Oh my God, it's the iced out version. Like, it's the icy one. I have been wanting an initial for like a year now, and every time I try to go get one, either I'm broke or it's sold out. A's always go first. I literally don't know what to say. Thank you is not enough to cover what I'm feeling right now. I can't. I hate to have on gold right now because I really wanna, and it's the perfect length. Oh my. I gotta gather myself because yeah. This is very, you know, y'all see me get emotional here. This is all of it. The gift in itself. It isn't just one particular thing. It isn't one set of nails. It isn't this amazing. The fact that the fonts, my taste in jewelry and things like that, you have to personally know me to know what to buy that I would actually like. Like, you could give me something, I'll be like, oh, thank you. But to give me something that I actually want and I actually like, and I didn't even have to ask, you just pay attention. It's got the baguette. Victoria. Okay, I'm on the way to the UK. Book the next flight. Okay. They say that on the Hopper app, you can get the discount. I'll worry about that later. Oh my God. I'm gonna put the flash on this real quick. Hold on, I'm gonna just put the flash on this. It's giving very sweetie. It's not really doing what I wanted to do. Y'all know what I'm trying to do, but it's not doing that right now. Girl, turn the flash on. I ain't got time to be fooling with you. Ignore all the glitter in my hand when y'all see this. Look at that. Look. I have never. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, enough, lock the phone. Go back in your little box. I don't know. In my life, I'm the giver. People pretty much ever since I can remember have just taken things from me, and I have never been appreciated. And in more ways than one, relationships, friendships, family, people did not value me the way that I value them. And I have so many friends that do not care about any of my goals, the things I want to accomplish, my channel, my social media. They don't care about absolutely anything, but they still will in my face call me a friend. And it starts to kind of collapse on you when you're seeing all these mediocre people reaping all of these blessings and things, and they're getting PR boxes and they're blowing up and they're just giving such mediocre quality, mediocre content. Like, and I'm over here providing what I presume is quality, but I'm overlooked and overshadowed. I'm not the prettiest, I'm not the this, I'm not the that, but all I have to work with is me. And for someone to appreciate that and listen and take a chance on me. No, I don't have the biggest following. I don't live the most glamorous lifestyle. I mean, one day, because I mean, give it, period. It's a process. And for her to see that in me, it speaks volumes, because I always feel like my talent is overlooked and no one is really seeing me for what I'm worth. Having someone like her in my life, it's so much further than a PR box. It's so much deeper than receiving nails or her being my nail technician pretty much and I'm being a client. Like the relationship is so much deeper than that. Victoria, to you specifically, not now, shaking me up. I personally just want to say to you, Victoria, thank you from the deepest, darkest depths. Let me stop, oh my God. The deepest parts of my soul, my heart, thank you. Thank you, just thank you. I will never be able to repay you, obviously, with my nails being done, because I know you and me are tired of them being crusty. No amount of nails I ever order from you will literally ever be able to repay you for something like this. And I know some of you out here watching will be like, wow, like she's doing all that over something like that. I don't have it like most of y'all have it. I know a lot of you got sugar daddies or you got husbands and you got men or women funding your lifestyles and buying you this and treating you to that. I don't have a soul doing that for me other than my mom. Like, you know, but that's my mom. That's my dog. That's my dog. But no one is looking out or gifting me with anything. The last guy I dated, I couldn't even get flowers out of, and I was very much deserving of more than flowers, honey bun, believe that. So to finally get something I feel like I deserve, that I work hard for, that I pinch penny for, honey, it was times I was supposed to get groceries, I was buying nails. I ain't gonna lie to you, paper towels, chicken, ground beef, nails. I'll be starving, but the nails will be fleeky. There are times I made sacrifices and it just feels like now the hard work and the sacrifices are paying off. This lifted my spirits. I haven't really smiled in like a week or two. So to see this and get this and all the work we did to get this, it's been a journey, but a journey I wouldn't trade for anything. Sorry to ramble, sorry to go on. Now y'all probably like, oh my God, wrap it up. Okay, this is my channel. I do what I want. Damn it. But thank you so much for taking the detailing, the personalization. That's the stuff that just means so much to me. Some people that just kind of give generic basic things, like you have somebody that may just give you money on your birthday. It's no personalization. Thank you, I appreciate you, but there is no thought, there's no effort. And I'm the kind of person, effort is something I value over pretty much anything. If you're showing me that you go above and beyond to create something like this is handcrafted. This is not something you can just go pick up. This is something handcrafted. The nails are handcrafted. Those nails are me. So to see something like that, it just kind of makes my heart warm, as cold as it is. It makes me just appreciate her in a whole different way. So I appreciate you. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of how far you've come. You've made it into Elle magazine, girl. You're doing a damn thing. Next stop, Vogue. You know what I'm saying? We got big things planned. We have big things going on in the works. I can't wait. Let me put this down because if it breaks, I'm gonna die. I'm just happy. I'm very happy. I'm gonna go ahead and close the video out. I don't want it to be too dramatic. I don't want to start tearing up again. I hope you all liked the video. I hope you like seeing me laugh and smile and be appreciated for once, because you know y'all don't appreciate me. If you did, I'd at least have 1,000 subscribers. And that's all I have to say about the matter. Hope y'all like my little beat. You know, I tried to do a little something, give you a little pony. Ain't no wig. This is my hair too. I bought it, it's mine. Oh my God, that was so abrasive. That was so harsh. Let me stop. I appreciate you. And I will see you guys at the next video. Peace won't be raggedy no more. Peace be still now because I got a piece of nails. Ain't gonna see me raggedy no more, period.